Alrighty, good afternoon YouTubers. This is my new doorknob here. This is the heavy doorknob, it seems. Since it's a heavy doorknob, because of that, this is the technology lock, which means you'll call this is the electronic lock, alright? And then in a few moments I'll show you the box for that to see what it looks like. So me and my dad installed it yesterday, so that was been about a full few weeks. Today's Monday and yesterday was Sunday. Okay, so this is this doorknob here. Okay, as if I open it. Okay, so I'll keep quiet once I open the door, okay, because my family will hear me what I'm doing. It's a secret, okay? The secret is here. So let's do now. It's here. Turn right. Okay, I'm still talking to people, right? I'll close the door once I'm inside, okay? Is logged and you have to type in your code, okay? So if I close this door, and this is always locked all the time, if I try to go outside, alright? This outside portion is always locked. If you want this open, it takes about a second, alright? And then you type in your code, and it takes about at least 3 or 4 seconds to do so. Let it open and then lock it up, and then it locks automatically. Always locks automatically. Inside the bedroom, having locks inside the bedroom is best, so that if you don't want any little people to come inside. Alright, my little one is outside, so I just keep it a secret. So I'll show you the doorknob outside the code. Okay, so now I'm gonna type the code, okay? Right? And I'll show you the open. Okay? Let me put this down so I don't want you guys to see the code, okay? See the green light? Yeah. See, I couldn't open until you hear this green light is here, okay? Let me type it one more time. See? It opened when the green light is here. That's what you guys see. Right? Let me show it another way because I can show the left. Good. Now I'll take you guys outside. Outside, it's locked, okay? I don't want to miss back. I'm just here to show you. Voila. That's how I show you. Back inside. Alrighty, YouTubers, that's been about my electronic lock, okay? See the door closing. Doesn't close because when I open the window and then the wind's starting to blow and it closes automatically, but in my old doorknob it does close automatically. It's light and this is heavy, the new version, okay? That's how I show you the electronic lock, alright? Thanks for watching, and then I will see you with some other videos I wanted to show you, okay? Until then, see you next time. Alright, by the way, YouTubers, here's this box here. I totally forgot to show you. I almost forget. Here's this electronic lock, and here's this doorknob. It's the heavy doorknob. This code numbers, I can see black, and then mine is the white, alright? So, electronic lock. This is the called $9.99. Okay. See this mall? If you want to go to online, go to sohomail.com to see your instructions, and then AAA batteries takes. Well, you guys can't really see it. It's taken out. So I think it doesn't come with the batteries, the proper batteries. Now you guys have to use your own batteries. Okay. I just wanted to talk to you. Thank you for your support. Alright.